to talk about a clean tractor here, guys. 4455. You bet. Here we go on MFWD right there. Here we come, center right there. 44. Give me 45. Down 45, $10, then down 45, 45, $10, then down 45. Here today, gone tomorrow. 49, 49.5. Down 49.5, and down $500, then down 49.5. I sold the tractor to you, $49,000. Thank you very much. Your buyer number 68. Give him a nice hand right there. You bet. He bought a good clean tractor. He'll like that one for a long time. Down 10, 75, down 11, down $1,100 winner, now 11, down $1,100 down.
Can go away now. Call in all that on 679 can go where
$500, 25, 25, 25, 5. Now 125, 125, 5. And the $500 bend down 125, 5. 125, 125, 5. And the $500 bend down 125, 5. Now 125, 125, 5. And down 5. And the $500 bend down 125, 5. Y'all ain't no done 125, 5. 125, 5. Now 125, 125, down $500 and 5. Now $500 and 5. Whip. 125, 5. I thank you guys, 125.5. I sold it to you, $125,000.